Hello, in this video, I will show you how to open higher version DWG files in a lower version AutoCAD program. I am currently having AutoCAD 2015 and my previous work were done with a higher version AutoCAD program, that is AutoCAD 2019. So I'm facing this problem. The drawing file could not be opened because it was created with a more recent version of AutoCAD. To convert this DWG file to an early file format, download DWG Trueview from Autodesk website. So I did exactly that, and I went ahead and I downloaded I downloaded uh, I downloaded this TrueViewer. If I can just open it so that you can see. So this is it. It's called TrueViewer 2021. The reason why I did not download the DWG TrueView 2015 is because I'll face the same problem, or I suppose I would face the same problem because also it cannot convert higher versions of DWG, which are done with higher version AutoCAD, like AutoCAD 2018 version. So I needed to download DWG TrueView 2021. So this is going to work for me. I can either open it directly or I can come here. Now, instead of going to open, you will see this option after you install this DWG TrueView. You'll have this option here, convert DWG. So I can either just go here. Then I'll select convert to 2020, convert to 2018, 2010, 2010. So I don't want to do that. First, I need to open because I cannot convert without opening. So I need to come to this and then go on the top and open. So what am I trying to open? Let me start from there. I'm trying to open, let me just repeat the process. I'm trying to open this drawing here. It's called roof framing. Trying to open that, and I'm facing that problem. So I'll come here to DWG TrueView 2021, and then I'll open the same. Or I can just go to convert DWG. I'll convert it first. Should open in a few. Okay. Now I need to add a file. Just add it. Click this plus. So there is no file included currently. So I just go to click here. Then it still takes some few minutes, as you've seen it's loading a couple of minutes, but there's no problem with that. Let me just give it some few more minutes. And see AutoCAD is loading. So just wait. Okay, this is what I need to open. It's called roof framing, and I'll click open. So I want to convert to 2013. Okay, and then I will just click convert, and then override existing read-only report file conversion text. Just say, you can either say yes, just no problem. Then I'll go back and then try to open the same. then it should open. Just I can zoom, extend, just zoom, then extend. Okay, so thanks guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.